This video was made to show how simple it is to download map packs and load them in your projects. Create new project. Load file by drag and drop, or use import option. This is where you choose the file format, which SWIFTEC recognizes automatically. This is where you fill project properties of the project. In this case, all information was detected automatically by our ECU detection module. Click in Map View to open Map Bar. As you can see, there are no maps detected for this file. To search for compatible map file, go to Project Properties, and use the information presented there, like software number. After, go to SWIFTEC.pt, and on top right corner, Access to Maps Download Area. Paste the software number copied in the correct search filter. As you can see, using software number will show you all map files available. Download the map, and accept your download. Go to SWIFTEC software again. Click and Load Map option, in top menu. Open the map file that you recently download. And use Open option, or by simple drag and drop it inside the project. As you can see, all maps now are identified and organized. Using the scroll, you can navigate through all maps available in this map pack. Choose the map you want to edit, and click to open. As you can see, all predefined maps are identified in 2D view as well. Using our Map View function, you can choose map, and by accessing to 2D view again, the map will appear in the correct position. Now the file is ready to make your own developments. Thanks for watching.